Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend to check if you have the latest software version. Go to the eSmart Connect application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app. Then you will see them at the device list. And your headphone should be connected with the phone. Tap at your earbuds. At the right top, click at the pencil icon. Then at the last line we have device update. Tap at this line also. It check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step, maybe the problem in your audio player. So firstly I recommend it to restart your audio player. Let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for your audio player application. And if you haven't, just update it. Next, check if both of these methods didn't help you. I recommend it to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to reconnect them. We need to remove them from your phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then click forget this device button or forget device or unpair or remove or maybe something else. And forget device. Now, at the back side of each earbud, we have touch areas right here at the top, and you need to press 10 times simultaneously at both of these touch areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at this button. After that, you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!